with Padre on the kayaks. We're gonna get some water today, get some sun. It's a beautiful day. As you can see, we have the kayaks in the back already. They're both loaded up. We have all of our stuff ready. We're gonna go grab some bait, and yeah, hopefully we catch some big fish, guys. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're setting up our kayaks and stuff. Check that out. This is our bait right here in this bag. Anchors, life vest in hand, rods, and we're ready. Kayaks are in the water. Got our stuff. Beautiful view. Water is clear. Not in this area, but it's clear. You ready, babe? Woo, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, today's bait is some crab here. And we got some shrimps. And let's get it. Beautiful view, beautiful day, not too windy. Gorgeous. Water's nice. He's trying to fix my rod over there. I caught a fish because I ended up casting the rod before he could get the chance to fix it. And the fish caught the bait. So I don't know what's on the line, but we know it's pulling. And yeah. Well, that's my line because I'm holding the rod. I caught this huge catfish. Show him off, babe, please. Look at that. So pretty. Big. And all I used was some shrimp.
You're a big boy.
Man, look at that guy. Oh, he's huge. Nice job, babe. Look at him. Oh, I viene. Nice. Look at that guy. He's huge. What did you catch there, love? Show me. What kind of trout? That's cool.
It's one of them trout that Theo George caught.
Like a speckled?
Yeah, speckled trout.
Oh, very nice.
Look, they're speckled.
How cool. All right, guys, we just got off the kayaks. We're all loaded up. We stacked them on top of each other so you can't see them in the window anymore. But we are tired. It's a lot of arm work and a lot of sitting down, obviously. But we caught, what, 3 fish total?
Yeah, 3 fish.
I caught a huge catfish that was actually very pretty, and he caught a speckled trout, a small speckled trout, and then another catfish. Big catfish, actually. We used shrimp and crabs, but they weren't biting the crab so much. They love the shrimp for some reason. Oh, and squid. They love squid too. But yeah, guys, until next time, thanks for, visiting the channel, supporting. If you guys have questions, go ahead and ask, myself or Nick. Either one of us will be happy to answer your questions. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye, guys. Until next time. Toma que toma, toma que toma, toma que toma, toma que toma. Toma que toma, toma que toma, toma que toma, toma que toma, toma que toma.